Have you ever noticed how one simple white powder can quietly change the way your garden grows? It almost feels like nature has been hiding an easy secret in plain sight. Weak plants begin looking healthier, unwanted pests like ants become less welcome around treated areas, and your garden starts thriving again. Today, I'll show you how ordinary baking soda can become a simple helper for healthier plants. Take 1 liter of water and add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir well. Baking soda helps create conditions that make it harder for powdery mildew and other fungal problems to spread while supporting cleaner leaves. Now add 1 teaspoon of liquid dish soap and stir again. The soap helps the mixture stick to leaves so every spray works more effectively instead of running off. It can also help the spray make better contact with small, soft-bodied garden pests. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. This final ingredient helps coat the leaf surface evenly, improves the spray's coverage, and helps the mixture stay on the leaves longer. Stir everything until fully mixed. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle and apply to both the top and underside of affected leaves early in the morning or late in the evening. If ants are climbing your plants, lightly spray the stems and the soil around the base, avoiding flowers. Repeat every 7 to 10 days and always test on a small section before treating the entire plant. With regular use and proper plant care, you'll often notice cleaner leaves, healthier growth, fewer fungal problems, and fewer ants visiting treated plants. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.